Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change video speed in InShot step by step. Whether you want to create slow motion cinematic effect or fast forward time-lapse style content, InShot provides built-in speed controls that allows precise adjustment of playback rate directly from your smartphone. So let's begin. First, you need to launch your InShot app on your phone, and after you get into this dashboard of your video, photo or the collage, what you can do is select to this video on the home screen. And over here you can either select to an existing project or you can also create a new by selecting new and importing your video clip. And once your clip appears in the timeline editor, you can tap on the video to activate the editing option. So you can go to your audio and slide a bit until you find to this speed icon here. And what you can do is you will now see the main speed adjustment modes. Over here you can either do it for the 0.5, which is for the slow motion, 1x which is for the normal speed, and the 2x or the higher, which is for the fast motion. As you adjust, you see the clip duration change automatically in the timeline, and after you're done you can tap on the check mark to apply the changes. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or problem, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.